Hello my friends, welcome to another video. Guess what I got? I'm so excited. 12 new primary element colors, and they are stunning. Stunning, stunning, stunning. They are a little pastel, but they're not. They look like they're loaded with glitter, but they're not. So I'm just going to show you these colors and let you know that it's called the Jelly Bean set. It's for sale now on Colourarte. I just got mine. So I urge you to really take a good close look at these colors because they are beautiful. Now, this first one is called Temptation. And please bear with me if I'm off screen at any point here because I brought this outside so you could see the colors, but I cannot see. It's so sunny out. And you know, just in case the sun isn't picking up that sparkle, turn my flash on too. So that is Temptation. Next we have Tropic Blue. Juicy Pear. Over the Moon. These are unlike any other Colourarte primary element color I've ever seen. Candy Apple. I really hope that you're seeing that glitter look that the mica flakes give off. Aquarius. Falling Star. Sweet Tooth. Spicy Apricot. You say apricot, I say apricot. Sorry about that. Neighbor just got home. Fairy Wings. Rose Quartz. This is a really pretty color too. Think of like Dusty Rose in the 80s, like that mauve color that was so popular with a whole bunch of sparkle. And last but certainly not least, very bright, cheerful yellow called Pineapple Crush. These are just absolutely magnificent. Again, don't forget I have a discount code, 20% off. It will be in the description and also on the screen right now. And of course, each order comes with a cute little thank you bag of Easter candy. So, let's get started, my friends. I'm excited to use these. So I'm not going to teach in this video. I'm just going to do a swipe. I had an idea. I wanted to swipe out a sunflower. I've been wanting to do this forever and have just never done it. So my idea is to make one half of it blue, the other half of it orange or yellow, purple, pink. So I'm just going to let you watch me experiment with these colors, have some fun, and then I'll be back to do the close-up with you and talk to you then. If you want to know how I mix these paints, it will be in the description along with a link to a video that will show you how to mix these colors from start to finish with full ratios and all of that. One other thing I want to mention is Tracie Reed, who also has a YouTube channel, I'll link it below, is selling these swipe tools, and they are reusable. She creates a lot of 3D items for pouring, so please be sure to check her out. I love using these little swipe tools. They're fantastic. Use them and then rinse them off and reuse them. So I will put that information in the description below. I know I said I wasn't going to teach, but I can never not teach. So all I'm doing is I'm putting my cell activator on the swipe tool and pulling it across the colors. Very simple to do. And now I'm going to zip my lips and let you enjoy some light jazz music. Be back soon. I like my pretty little sunflower. I don't know about you, but I like it. Now, yes, there are areas that are bumpy and raised, but those will all level out. That was just fresh paint, white paint I put down to fix up some areas. So let me show you what this looks like. Lights off and lights on. These colors are absolutely amazing. I cannot wait to do a few blooms and other things with them. Hold on. Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun. Now you're going to see the magic. So that right here, that white glistening area right there is interference green and violet. Look at the pretty little hearts I made. But let's just look at, oh, look at the violet under there. That's what happens when you use an interference color underneath your other colors. You get that nice violet shift or gold shift, whatever one you pick. So Plus these colors have some color shifting properties too. So, okay, it's just fantastic. Fantastic, fantastic, fantastic. So over here, see the green a little bit more. And then you'll see it going up underneath this blue area. Once the resin gets onto this, it is bananas. So discount code again, Tammy Anderson Art 120, all one word, lowercase, 20% off, no minimum purchase. This color is really, really pretty. I'm thinking that that is the, yep, the Over the Moon. See it shifting to violet? Wow, gorgeous. In this area here, I swiped kind of a little bit of both sides together. I am getting a lot of gold and peach almost out of that yellow that I used, the crushed pineapple. Here's some violet interference that I dragged through the white paint. Oh, just love it. Love it, love it, love it. And I hope you love it too. So that's it, my friends. Go check those out, Colourarte.com. They are for sale now. And until the next video, which will probably be Sundays, it's all about the bling compilation with Saskia, Erica, and Mark and myself. We're doing a 4-way collab. It starts 3 p.m. on my channel. Make sure you check it out. We are all going to be there to promote, to premiere our videos. So we'll be able to talk to you. All right? Until the next one, my friends, I love you all and happy pouring.